previous video we have done our external organs. So let's start with the same chapter but different topic. What we are studying in this video, we are studying environmental studies. Okay, and this is our chapter 1, the human body. The human body. So for the internal organs, we should know about the cells. Why? Because cells are the basic units of our body. So different cells will form together tissues, and these tissues together form the different organs, and the different organs will form a particular organ system. Like our digestive system, it has food pipe. It starts with our mouth, food pipe, stomach and the anus. Okay, so that is the digestive system, and it has different parts of it. So let's start with our muscular. I'm so sorry. Let's start with our skeletal system. Okay. So first one is our organ systems. Let's start with skeletal system. I hope everybody is having a book. In that book, the structure is showing. Okay. So this skeletal system, this is our bony structure. It is our bony structure. Okay, and it provides shape to our body. When a baby is born, it has almost 350 bones. When a baby is born, it has 350 bones. But as it grows and when it is grown up properly, the bones will reduce to 206. So when somebody is asking you how many bones do you have, so you are saying that 206. Yes, of course, but when you were born, you had 350 bones, which reduced into 206. Okay, so this is our skeletal system.
Pause.
Our next organ system is muscular system. I hope you all understood the skeletal system. Next one is muscular system. See, the skeletal system is covered by different muscles, and that system is called the muscular system. So our body moves with the help of these muscles. So it helps in moving or the movement. Okay, it helps our body to move, and we have almost 640 muscles. We have 640 muscles almost in our body. See, it is very important to strengthen your muscles. Why? Because your muscles are helping you in movement. So the muscles can be strengthened by regular exercising them. Okay, we should do exercise daily. Yes. Next one is digestive system. Digestive system. See, our digestion starts from our mouth. When we are eating something, it goes to our mouth and we are chewing the food. We have saliva in our mouth. that is mixes with the food and make it slime. When the food became slime, it sent from the esophagus to the stomach. Why it is important to make that food paste or a slime? Because it sent to the stomach very smoothly. Otherwise, it will choke your esophagus and you may damage it. So that is why it is important to chew the food very properly. So the food, our digestive system starts from our mouth, food pipe, stomach, and the anus is the end point of the digestive system. So these are the parts of our digestive system. If you can see in this photo, here you can see very clear diagram. The digestive system starts from the mouth. We chew the food and it becomes a paste and it's sent through this food pipe to the stomach. Here it's from the stomach and the liver. The liver secreted some digestive juices that mixes with the food and then it's sent to the intestine, and here in the small intestine some small finger-like projections are found. See, they are like this. The projections means the structure of the intestine is like this, and in the food enter to these intestine, it is sent through all the projections and filtered. When once it is filtered, the juice and the the juice part or the liquid part and solid waste get separated. From here, the juice part, which has, that means the liquid part which has the digested food, it mixes with the blood and sent through all over the body. Okay, so after that, the solid waste thrown out of our body by the anus. Understood? So I hope everybody is having a book. So here you can see the diagram clearly. Okay? So our next system is circulatory system. Circulatory system, as the name suggests, circulation, that means continuously moving and moving. So our circulatory system consists of the heart, blood vessels and the blood. Okay? So circulatory system consists the heart, blood vessels and blood. The circulatory system or the blood vessels, see, once when our heart pumps our blood, that blood consists, that blood carries the digestive food and the oxygen, and it's sent through the blood vessels to all over the body. So this blood carries digestive food and oxygen, what is sent through the blood vessels to all over the body. See, I will try to show you that picture. Here you can see that. Here it is our heart and it pumps the blood. So here you can see the heart, blood and the blood vessels. Together they form the circulatory system, and the heart pumps blood. The heart pumps the blood. That blood carried the digestive food and oxygen. Okay. So it is then sent to all organs of the body. And the blood supplies oxygen and the digested food. Why I am telling again and again? So that you can learn all the things in this video only. You don't need to go anywhere else. Our next system is respiratory system. See, first was skeletal, then muscular, digestive, circulatory, now respiratory. Respiratory, the name suggests respiration. That means inhale and exhale in air. Okay. So the respiratory system consists nose, lungs, and the windpipe. Wait, it's so dirty. Nose, windpipe, and lungs. Okay. So this the respiration starts from our nose. When you inhale, here are the nostrils that allow the air to go inside, and the windpipe is that a very little thin tube that allows the air to go inside to our lungs. In our lungs, when we are inhaling and exhaling, when we are inhaling the oxygen we are taking inside our body from the environment. And here we are not actually inhaling only oxygen. There is a mixture of gases, the air. So the lungs are the filters. Here the fresh oxygen is separated and the carbon dioxide is thrown away. How? That carbon dioxide will send to the heart, and here the heart, which has how lungs will send the carbon dioxide. It is mixed with the blood and sent to the heart, and then we are exhale the carbon dioxide with the help of these lungs. So it is very important to learn all the organ systems systematically so that you can explain it anywhere. Okay. So what we have done in this video: skeletal system, the bony structure of our body. It is a bony structure. And how many bones we have? We have 206 bones when we grown up. Muscular system, it covers the skeletal system, and the skeletal system provides shape to our body. The muscular system covers the skeletal system and it helps us to move. It has thereafter the digestive system. We have digestive system in which it consists mouth, esophagus, stomach and the anus. Then circulatory system, which consists of heart, blood vessels and the blood. Thereafter respiratory system, nose, windpipe and lungs. So I think this is enough for today. We will discuss the last one, that is nervous system. Nervous system. Okay, so let me clean that. The last one is nervous system. It consists of brain, spinal cord and nerves. It consists of brain, spinal cord and nerves. See, if you remember in the first video, for the sense organs we have discussed about the nerves that sends the messages to the brain. So these are the nerves which are a part of nervous system. The brain is said to be the master organ of our body. Why? Because it controls our all actions. Okay, here it is showing our nervous system. In this video you can see the brain, the greenish colored, and the green colored tube or the rod like structure, that is our spinal cord. It is connected to our brain. Okay, so spinal cord is very important to conduct the message through the nerves to all over the body. If you can see, there are different pink colored neurons or the nerves are found. So these nerves running from the brain to the back, that is called the spinal cord. Okay, so we have discussed all the organ system. Thank you for today.